Hi friends, are you suffering from severe hair fall? And is your hair getting thinner and thinner on day-to-day basis? Do you want to restore lost hair from your scalp? Just check it out, time tested and one of the best remedy for all kinds of hair issues, which is nothing but onion hair oil. Onions are rich in sulfur content which helps to reduce breakage and thinning of your hair. Sulphur is essential for regeneration of hair follicles and promotes new hair growth. Onion pulp can nourish your hair follicles and restore the nutrients you have lost from your scalp. Let us see how to prepare onion hair oil. This hair oil stimulates your scalp and improves blood circulation, which reduces hair fall and promotes new hair growth. It is also rich in antibacterial properties, which helps to keep your scalp healthy and free from infections and dandruff. It also nourishes your hair follicles and also prevents premature graying of your hair. Gently apply this oil to all over the scalp and hair by taking out each and every layer. Massage with this oil evenly from roots to the tips of the hair and leave it for overnight. If not possible to keep it for overnight, just maintain for 1 to 2 hours and then wash your hair with mild shampoo. Use this hair oil at least thrice or twice per week so that you will find visible difference in your hair growth after 5 to 6 weeks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap on bell icon for further notifications.